Hello, I'm going to show you how to make an invoice on your PayPal account. First, make sure to download your PayPal app on your Google Play Store. Then, open your PayPal app and log in onto your account. Then, on your screen, on the lower right part of your screen, tap the request button. Then, you can choose the person or the email you want to send your invoice. Then, tap Send an Invoice to get paid. Then, click this tab to choose the currency you want to use. You can also add the item or the service on this box. And you can write the amount. Then, save by tapping this Add button. You can also add your notes to your customer. After filling up these boxes, you can now tap the Send button. That's all. Thank you for watching.